Alright guys, so I just installed this Safego H4 Exonin high-low HID Exonin conversion kit, 6000K, 55 watt, 12 volt, 55 watt. Fortunately, I already installed it. I didn't do a video because I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. It was actually pretty good. I actually have high-low beams now. As far as the eBay version, paid 35 bucks for. I had no high beams, only low beam. Let me show you exactly what I did. This is the product. This is the box it came in. It came with 2 slim ballasts, the 2 HID bulbs, a bunch of wires and stuff. It was missing some little miscellaneous bolts, but nothing that I needed. Also, I installed into my 2012 F-Shape Cruiser. Alright, so this is the component it comes with. Not sure exactly what it does. I'm not an electrician or anything. I just mounted it to my battery, just using a little bolt right there. There's one ballast there. Like I said, it comes with a bunch of a bunch of wires. This is one of them. See it? These right here. So yeah, it goes over there. Has a fuse. Connect that to my battery. I ran the wire over my fan, zip ties, around the coolant intake, and then mounted the other ballast here. The only thing I did not like about it was I had to cut the rubber gasket right here in order for it to go over the new HID bulbs. It's something you have to do. Unfortunately, there's no other way around it that I could think of. It does give me high and low beam though. Unfortunately, it's daytime where I live, so you won't be able to really see it. I'll try and maybe you can see it on the roof of my garage. Yeah, it was a little difficult to install. Paid $55 for it. On the high beams. Now move above the door. That's it for the video. Unfortunately, I wish I recorded on where I mounted everything for it. It looks difficult. It really wasn't. It just had to take me some time to think about it. It took me about 2 hours in all. I did the one ground for the for this fucking thing. I grounded it there. I don't know if you can see it. And on this side, I grounded the ballast on that one right there. It's really not that hard. I had to use some screws, some metal screws I had. Just drilled into the wall here. Just tiny screws so I didn't mess up the wall too bad. Shouldn't give any kind of weakness, I believe. May give it a little bit of weakness, but not much. Same thing on this side. I had to take the battery out and then put it in and then re-put everything in. And also real quick, if you do have an F8 Cruiser, if you ever take out your battery or have to re-put your battery in or whatever, it's going to show the, I don't know if we can see it, it's going to show compass flashing right there. I don't know if you can see it. I think it's too bright. Anyways, the compass is flashing where it has the degree mark. All you got to do is literally hold down the, I think it was the set button. And once it, yeah, once it just goes to compass and it stays on there, just all you gotta do is drive in a circle, figure 8 motion. So you do one lap around one way and then a lap around the other way, and it'll reset it, and then the flashing will go away. So that's it for my video. Leave comments if you need anything else, if you need help with it. I could try and direct you right away.